Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Terry. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys and gals are all doing fan-heckin-tastic out there. So with all the, drama right now surrounding Adobe, I know that a lot of people out there are looking at DaVinci Resolve for an alternative to Premiere right now because, I guess court cases will do that. So I know that there's some people out there that have issues with making presets in Resolve, like they just don't know how to do it yet. So I figured I would show you guys and gals how to do that right now here, okay? So it's really simple here, folks. It's not hard at all. Now this is just a blank template I have pulled up here in Resolve, right? So let's say I would like to save this here as a template, right? All you got to do is go down here to the cogwheel to the project settings. Now, as you can see, I already have everything customized to my liking right here. To save this as a preset, all you have to do is this here, okay? Go right up here to the little three-dot menu. You want to go ahead and say Save Current Setting as Preset. Test Preset. Just give it a name for whatever you want, then hit OK. And then everything that you have custom will be listed right here in the same little three-dot menu here, okay? Now, what's really cool about this is that let's say I made a mistake, right? Like, oh crap, instead of this being 30 frames per second, I wanted to make this 60 frames per second. Good news here, folks. To change that, just go right back up here, three-dot menu, find the preset that you just made, and then you could say Update Preset, Update, and now those settings are saved to the brand new preset. Now, what I like about that is that sometimes, in other software, you might have to delete the preset, then remake it and all that jazz, but no, in Resolve, you can go ahead and just tell it to update the preset. Now, what if you want this to be your default preset every single time you load up Resolve? You can do that as well too. Three-dot menu, save current settings as default preset. I know every single time you load up Resolve, that will be your default preset. You can just drag your stuff in and get to town. Yeah, really short, quick little video for you guys and gals. I hope this might have answered some questions out there because I know that people were wondering how to make presets in Resolve. This feature's been there for a while, but not a lot of people know about it. So yeah, I hope this might have helped y'all out there. But if you have any questions, do me a favor, drop them down below. But this whole thing with Adobe, are you looking for other services to sort of kind of, move away from the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite? Or are you going to just kind of stick it out? Do me a favor, let me know in the comments below, and I will catch you guys and gals next time.